people on.
Cowboy dance.
Hold on, you gotta scoot back. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the Arctic Vet channel. My name is Trevor, and we have Coen right over here. And today, instead of doing a storytelling Sunday, we're gonna switch it up with a Coen storytelling Sunday.
Yeah.
Is that it? Well, really, he just wanted to show you guys something. So.
Yeah, that bed.
And it involves your bike?
No, don't let it down.
Oh, okay, get it down. Ooh! There's a little sneak peek. We hope you guys enjoy these clips. Let's wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Why and why?
Oh no.
What?
Low battery.
No battery?
Yeah, low battery. What are we showing them?
Let it down.
Oh, okay, you want me to set it down?
Yeah.
All right.
And then
Oh, you want them to see your speed?
get on my bike.
Woo. Oh, he's like Ricky Bobby. Look at that, he's in here doing it for Dale going a wheelie. Oh my goodness. Nice stop. Give us a thumbs up.
I'm on a red bell and I'll take you.
Ring that bell.
Day.
Subscribe and drop in comments.
Yeah.
Yee yee. Can we get a yee yee?
Dad.
Yee yee. It's all you, big guy. Oh, you just ran over a motorcycle.
Oh, dang it.
Okay, let me see it for a second.
Okay.
If you guys enjoyed those videos, please leave us a thumbs up.
Come on.
Drop some comments down below. Click that red subscribe button.
Button.
What else is there? There's a bell. Click on that bell. Boop. Click on that bell. Just like that. And then you'll be notified when we have future uploads. Look forward to a lot. Oh, hang on. Oh, whoops. We weren't supposed to show them that.
Yeah.
Ooh. Let's go back over this way. All right, there we go. See you in the next video. What was that?
Dad.
You're a goofball.
Dad.
Yes.